Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming admin rights and a stable internet connection. That ensures the client can install and run. Next, download the Vpngate client or the soft ether client adapter. You need the right package for your OS. Once downloaded, run the installer and accept required drivers or TAP adapters when prompted. Make sure to disable any other VPN or proxy first so the new adapter binds correctly. This prevents conflicts and speeds up initial connection attempts. Once the client shows the server list, refresh and sort by latency or load so you pick a fast, reliable endpoint. Lower MS typically feels snappier. You then select a server and choose the connection method, open VPN for compatibility or soft ether for speed, and click Connect. If the server requires a certificate or password, enter it, otherwise accept the temporary account. Make sure to enable DNS leak protection and the kill switch if available, because these settings preserve privacy during network change. You finish by verifying the connection. Check your new IP and DNS settings, and visit an IP check page to confirm traffic routes through the VPN. If it fails, try another server or protocol, reinstall the TAP/Open VPN driver, and temporarily disable the firewall to isolate the issue. Make sure to inspect the client logs for clear error messages. Logs often tell you if authentication, routing, or driver issues occurred. Once resolved, save your working server to favorites for quicker reconnection next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.